minutes of meditation, if you keep your mind constantly on one subject for say 5 minutes, then it gets it converts into reality. Do you know? So if you have a dream and you want to convert it to reality, then what you can do is 5 minutes consistently have your mind focused on something, not on the dream in particular, but on something, like say your breathing, right? So when somebody meditates, this is what they say, right? Focus on your breathing and all. So the idea is to get your mind focused on something, focused, like say it is not to go anywhere else, but it has to be stabilized, it has to be at one place, and it is not getting distracted into things which are not required. So everything actually feels like a huge requirement if you are distracted and habitual person in getting distracted. So now it is suppose suppose I am meditating, right? And how I am meditating, I have downloaded one link, Sudarshan Kriya for example. That is what I am doing these days. So Sudarshan Kriya, for that I have to download something. So actually I have to click a link, so it gets displayed. So it is on my laptop, right? So it is there displaying, and I am accordingly, I have closed my eyes and I am doing that. So how Sudarshan Kriya starts? It starts with Ujjayi breath, right? And if you try doing Ujjayi breath, the moment you are distracted, it becomes very difficult to do it. Your breathing will not be perfect. Like say the sequence will get disturbed and you will miss the entire thing. So the three sequences of Ujjayi breath, it becomes very difficult. So that is the most difficult part during a Sudarshan Kriya. Then the second thing is chanting of Om, right? So I, instead of 3 times, I actually given myself a regime of chanting Om for 10 minutes. So so that is what, that is the second link that I have to display on my laptop. And the third thing is chanting of Soham, right? So that one I have recorded for myself, because the counting is very difficult, 20, 40, 40. So that is the 3 sequence we need to follow, and in different rhythm. So that one I have recorded for myself. So that is the third thing that I have to display on my laptop, so that one after the other I can follow the sequence. And lastly I chant some Buddhist chanting. That is what I do, because I have to tell them that I am chanting every day. So again there is an integrity issue. I trust them, but you know, like said, I have put that into a sequence. So there are 4 things that I need to follow, right? Now if I can display, like say I have opened 4 browsers in my laptop, and there are other files also open. So what happens, you suddenly remember something in between that meditation. So the first Sudarshan Kriya, Ujjayi and Vatsika and Om, during that the eyes remain closed, and but the mind is going here there, right? So that is the first practice that one has to do. Now there is a consistency aspect also. So every day for 1 hour, it takes 1 hour almost, all thing combined. So for 1 hour you are focused into your something that you are doing, your meditation, and getting your mind into one point, right? So that is a practice, because and the mind was never accustomed to be at one place, and suddenly it has to. So it takes time for it to come to a place, to one point. So that is a difficulty that one is trying to. So there is a trick how to do that. One needs to see that the time that you have assigned, allocated for yourself, this time needs to be revered, it has to be honored. Because no, once you get distracted and try doing something, picking a phone, clicking at one browser and doing something while you are chanting mechanically something, then it becomes a distraction and it is dishonoring this thing. It is an integrity issue. Like say you are saying something to Bhagwan and in between you are saying you are doing something else. So your full attention is not there. Being fully attentive at one place, it takes your mind to that stage where it can convert and be like say your integrity has to be there and you have to be very genuine, honest about your being focused at one place. So the stakes are high, right? So if you want to achieve something, now you don't can't allow your mind to go here there, and it is so easy, and it is such an easy thing to convert your dream into reality. So, 2 3 things I have tried. So, when I do something, I ask for something, say, and that time actually I don't bring the doubt, and the doubt doesn't come if my mind is not distracted. If it is distracted, the doubt, actually the mind is full of self doubt, right? Every time if you are saying something positive, there are thousands of negative doubts also accompanying it. So how to help that? So the best thing is to focus your mind into something, at least into the breathing, because unless you focus your mind into that breathing, the breathing is not going to happen. It will go here there and you will not be able to do that particular kriya. At least for the sake of your body, the Sudarshan kriya is useful, right? So you have to do that properly so as to keep your body healthy. So that is the first thing. And the second thing, for me it is interesting to convert some dream into reality, and I have experimented with this and it actually works. Now the practice, the catch is I have to now the second thing is consistency, right? So every day one needs to do. So initially I was getting irritated when I was not being able to do. You will tend to go here there, right? Your mind will tend to go here there, and I was getting angry, but then I yeah, it took me little time to be consistent, and I have started being consistent since last 20 days. So another day and it will be my 21 days. So obviously my habit has been formed to some extent. It is only the mind which is actually not it is playing tricks with me still, and I have to bring that into some kind of control. Yes, that I have to do. But there is another thing also. I was about to actually comment on the inconsistency that people follow, and they one day they will say that yeah, it is very good to do, very good to be consistent every day 1% development, but I was seeing their habits, right? One day they will do, and for another 7 days they won't do anything. Now here is another thing, a correction in my behavior. So it is the other people, right? So why have I to have to bother about their behavior? It is none of my business. So let them behave the way they wish. It is my behavior that I am in control of, and that is what I should be bothered about. So coming back to my consistency, so what I have done is, my thing is, today I learned about something called creative visualization. it is about making mind movies. So all of us actually tend to get into thoughts, and that thought becomes like say dreams, a dream sequence, a movie like sequence. So that is fine. Now in dream, nobody is looking at you, nobody is knowing what you are thinking, so it becomes a dream, a pattern, a mind movie. So you have given some lofty ideas to yourself, right? And then suddenly you get into your senses and you say, oh, what I am thinking, this is not going to happen, right? And you just negated your mind movie that you have created. Don't do that. Now you have to add another frames to that movie, and trust me, if you can do that, if you can do that, I have done in last 10 days, right? I have practiced that. It is so easy, and it takes so little time. Just for the experiment sake, if you try to do this, it becomes a reality. You can't believe also. So the first thing is, when you are listening to me, what you are thinking? You are thinking about a doubt feature, right? You are doubting that whether this will happen to you, and this might be a fluke. Yes, it can be a fluke also. So if suppose this thing of mine has just by chance happened, and it will, maybe the next thing, it will be very difficult for me to make that into a reality. So what? Something has already converted, right? So I am very much enthusiastic and motivated to do the same experiment next time. So I'll do. Suppose I fail, so what? What is the big deal? Anyways, I was not thinking about that. It is just a dream, right? It is, whether if it gets succeeded, then it is something, a great achievement for me, and I'll be like, say, I'll feel profound, and if it fails, then it doesn't matter, right? So I'll try again, and yes, so consistency is the key. First thing is training your mind to be focused about something, at least about our dreams, our own dreams, right? And be consistent on that, and not to worry is the third thing that I wanted to say. Not to worry, not to be attached. It is our birthright to dream, but what happens and how it will happen, that is not in our control. It will happen even 1,000 times better. We human beings don't know. We only think about the way we have thought, and we expect a result to happen the same way that we have thought. No, there is a universal law to it. It will do something 1,000 times better, and it will bring the result in some other way, the way you haven't thought. So initially, if you have thought about A to be successful, then the ultimate result might be A not being successful. So you need to have that mindset to look at the bigger success, right? So it happens like that, and it happens only if the mind gets broadened with repeated practice of creating that mind movie. And if that dream becomes bigger, then only we'll have that ability to see the bigger picture, and then we can appreciate the bigger success also, the bigger result also. So this is the trick. So if you like this video and this trick, and if you can practice this, then nothing like it. But we can discuss about this in my Sunday webinar always, and you can reach out to me for that Sunday webinar where we can discuss this. Also, you can take my course which teaches all this, wherein I'll come in a weekly meeting, weekly call, and deliberate on this on every week, if you get into my course, right, online course. So if you want to know more, then please get in touch. Otherwise, if you like this video, just like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.